Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Make spaghetti, Joel.
Ice cream.
Make spaghetti Play-Doh.
Ice cream. Put the Play-Doh in the,
Put the Play-Doh in there and make some ice cream. Make some spaghetti. No, don't eat it.
It's bad.
Tastes bad, yes.
Yeah, it's bad.
Okay, what's Chelsea making?
Ice cream still.
Let's see. Oh, it looks delicious. Yum, 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 yum.
Don't. Right in the next pick. It's bad. It's bad.
Don't eat it.
You know what I just heard about?
It's bad.
Make some spaghetti, Joel.
Joe, you make some spaghetti. Here, let me help you. Here, take the Play-Doh, make some spaghetti, put it in there.
Push, Joel. Push it.
Here, put this in here. Let's make it pink and blue spaghetti. Okay, make the spaghetti close.
Push
the
it.
spaghetti come out. Okay,
Push it.
push, 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 push. Oh, here comes the spaghetti. Come on, Joe, push, 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 push down. Oh.
Don't push it on the floor.
What's that?
Let's see your... Joel,
What is
make...
that? Show that to Daddy. Show it to Daddy.
Wow, let's see your secret face. Ooh, secret face.
Joel.
And this secret face?
Good boy.
Let's see Chelsea make the secret face.